So starting off, we will look at our comparison list. So, and as you can see, each one of these has a brief description here, kind of just giving you a little bit of idea of what they do. So we'll start off with our comparison. So as you can see here, I just have two simple lists, customers and customer addresses. Now, these are just two lists from here inside the connector, to which, as you can see, you can have them run cross connector as well. I just have them running in the same connector, two different lists that have similar properties to them. So from here, you will go ahead and you'll have your matching fields. Now, these matching fields are what Popdock looks for to run your comparison on, whether it be here where you can have it to show similarities between lists or show differences between the lists, which typically it really just depends on what you're looking for. For this example, I have it to show similarities between my customers list and my customer addresses list here in the same connector. So for merge fields, it's looking for at the address one field, and the city field is what it's looking to match on as its criteria. And here, as you can see, I have a few other fields that I've added in. So, and then we have them here in our default as well, in which it'll tell us which we're looking for. We have customer address one, customer address one, and basically off our combinations. We have no variables, no restrictions. So now if we go over to preview and are showing similarities, we can see here that we have our two address one fields between the two, and that we can see the comparisons from there and any other fields we need. So it's mainly used to basically you put two lists side by side, see if you want to see what's the same, you can do that. If you want to see what's different, you can do that as well.